You must have seen these sort of cuttings someday. Definitely, it is not a thing that you have never seen. Like the aeroplanes got grounded, the pictures got leaked, the phishing scams took place, the stock got monitored, the network interfaces got affected, and the important data got leaked. These are the kind of news that we hear almost on daily basis. Now, what is the reason that we are not bothered about it? Is it a reality? Hey there, my name is Rohit Kumar, and today we are going to discuss this particular thing only. The very important concept that is directly related with you, and that is security breach. So firstly, what is security breach? Whenever we do have some sort of safety mechanism towards anything, that is considered a security. But when the security mechanism gets compromised due to some reason, that is considered a breach. That's why the term security breach. But is it a reality? Because most of us do think that there are so many digital payments are being done, there are so many security protocols are out there. So is it a matter of concern for me? Yes, might not be today, but definitely in future, because future is belonging to Internet of Things. And when the Internet of Things is going to get reality, there might be some lightweighted security protocols, but still the cloud computing and the fog computing and the related analytics are getting powerful day by day. Big data is becoming a reality, and analyzing big data with the help of so powerful cloud system is not a myth. So that's why it doesn't matter how powerful your security mechanisms are, there is always a probability, and not a low probability, very good probability that your security system may get compromised. So that's why these sort of things do happen. And it is not like this that it is not related with you, because you might be thinking that our bank balance never got affected. So let me show you that there are many things, like the hackers took control of a particular database and affected many people. Now that database might be related with your data, but perhaps you are not bothered because you have shared your information like audio, video, images on so many platforms, even you don't know. So that's why you don't bother about these sort of things. Additionally, the Amazon Web Service, it is not like a thing that you have never used. Definitely, everyone has some sort of relation with Amazon through its merchandise, through its commercial platforms, or with the help of any other third-party tools. But point is that whenever you are going from some sort of transaction with Amazon and Amazon servers are hijacked, then definitely your transactions are also not secure. Additionally, the Amazon Web Service traffic got hijacked. The users sent some phishing attacks onto this and impacted the 2 hours of cryptocurrency used. It was a reality, and similar sort of there are multiple related news which are there, like Pakistan knocked the YouTube offline. Additionally, the routing leak happened, the DDoS attacks from the Stormly Annoyed servers worldwide, and so many other BGP hijacks, etc. Now, point is, then when so many different sorts of security violation things are coming into picture, why we are not getting bothered? Because it is not directly related to us. Now, you might be thinking that it is not directly related, but how it is related even indirectly? It is related indirectly because if you are using some Amazon Web Service and your services are not permanently shut down, because as you can see, it was just affected for 2 hours, you might be wondering, okay, it is not down permanently, but it impacted your service economically. For example, you are using a particular utility or cloud service, because cloud is a utility service, means pay as you go, means as much fraction of the service you use, that much money you have to pay only. That's why similar to any other basic utility, you are going to pay for that particular cloud utility only. Now, suppose if somebody delayed your transaction for 2 minutes and that happened consistently for 2 hours. So not only you, there are so many millions or billions of the users got affected, and a very minute fraction of their financial transactions got impacted. That particular impact took into accumulation figure, and that particular figure was the total cost that Amazon got. So in this way, if we do calculate that what are the kind of things that a particular service provider or the users have to have at their side, so you need to have some sort of strong security mechanism, then only you can deal with these sort of things. Because we usually think that it is not possible to have the DDoS attacks, because when we usually discuss with people that DDoS happened, many people do say, no, DDoS is not at all a reality. But distributed denial of service is not a fake news. It's a reality, and multiple People do believe, and multiple vendors also do claim, that DDoS is not possible at their sites just to reclaim their lost credibility. But point is that DDoS is possible. The only thing is how powerful botnet is being used against a particular service. If there is a cloud provider like Amazon, then obviously so strong cloud infrastructure is available there that it is not very easy to take it down with the help of few thousands or millions of bots. But if you are forming a net of billions of bots, which is not impossible in near future, especially in the era of IoT. So there are billions of devices. Even it is going to get claimed that in near future, the IoT devices are going to cross a mark of 50 billion. So you might be going to enter into a technological era which is way beyond your imagination, and it is not going to get easy for the security professionals to take the security mechanisms at their right path in its fullest scope. So point is that it is the basic user's responsibility also, not only the security professionals, to take care of their infrastructure and to take into account the basic security ethics. First thing that I always tell in my security related videos, that do change your passwords regularly. Choose a password which is strong in nature, because usually we choose very weak passwords, and those passwords may become a reason of attack. Additionally, don't share your information with the other people, and especially do not write your passwords at a single place. In this way, you can prevent the kind of possible attacks against you, or at least minimize the possible attacks. So these are the kind of things, and it is not like that these are a myth. All these cuttings are the proof that these sort of things are a reality. So that is all from my side for this particular video. If you didn't like anything, please do comment below and criticize me and this particular video. Let us know that how we can improve our future videos. Thanks for watching this particular video. Happy learning.